Hi guys, have you ever been to a Vietnamese restaurant and wondering what kind of sauce is that? And these yummy spring rolls are so good. Today we are making the spring rolls, and here I have 1.5 to 2 pounds of pork. You can just use any pork, but here I have a pork shoulder, and fill the water up to the pork level. Add you half a tablespoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of salt on the oven, on the stove. Turn on high heat, and when it's boiled, simmering, turn down heat, and then simmering while you don't have anything else to do. You can go out and cut you some vegetables. Here I have some mint in the middle of January. They seem to be doing very well, so I can't waste. I can't believe these are the only things that growing. And when you're done getting bored of picking the mint, you can go in, then your meats are ready. Take them out and put them aside. And add you 1.5 to 2 pounds of shrimps. Any shrimp you want, really. I just like the one with the shells. It's just how I always been eating, and bring it to boil and for about 3 minutes, and drain out the rest of the juice. So this step I have to peel the shrimps. So if you use the one that is not already peeled, that could save you some extra time. So I just want to show you how moist and the texture, and there is the shrimp. There it is. Yes. So that's why I always like to eat the shrimp with the shell, because it's just always so yummy. And the rest of the shrimp were peeled. By that time, your meat should be cooled down enough for you to handle. Um, it's a little extra fat that I usually don't need, so I just set it aside and cut the meat in, however you want, but I like to cut them long way so that it line up with my spring roll better. And when you're done, set them aside and bring out your rice papers. Here I'll show you a couple just to see what they look like. They're very thin rice paper. It doesn't matter which side. They're kind of shiny on one side, but it doesn't really matter. All you gotta do is just give it a quick rinse on both sides, just like so. I usually trying to take a little bit extra off right there. And when your vegetables are ready and clean, you lay your paper down. You don't have to be OCD like me. Um, Put as many shrimps on there as you like, as much pork as you want. Or you just take out the pork. You can substitute with chicken, really. And I also have some basil here, uh, because I like to eat basil. But whatever vegetable you want, uh, pick you some mint, some vegetables like lettuce. That's mostly used. Um, I like bean sprouts on my rolls. But this is a little hard to get used to, so you might want to omit that unless you really like bean sprout. Bean sprout is really good for you, really. And just fold it in half, give it a few push, and then I like to tuck in the sides, like the ends, so that the rolls look neat and contained, and the shrimp don't get away when I try to eat them. Here I'm running through this process one more time just for you, to show you that how easy it is. There you go. That is very easy. And here I have 4, because I am going to eat 4 today. I can't wait. And if you haven't checked out my sauce, the peanut sauce, please check it out, because I have also post the link for this. I love peanut and roasted peanut and a little kick on my sauce. So sriracha goes in and a little bit of pickled carrots. That's just very easy to make, but it's optional. So I hope you give it a try and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and good luck. Bye bye.